Right, let's get started here. Can we get a dip 360? Yeah, let's get a dip 360. This is looking pretty nice and hot. So we'll take a one share here. I'm gonna look for a dip.
HIMZ, HIMS.
Oh, that's an incredible
LFMD.
range right now. I think we can do 1K. That should be okay. 364. Yeah, we could do 364 back into this gap.
GRND. ALEC.
Well, that's an incredible. That's a 220-cent range, so gotta be careful. Gotta be careful there.
HIMZ. HIMS.
So we'll see what we got. So dip to 390 VWAP.
HIMZ. ATPC.
Could be choppy,
HIMS.
so yep, choppy
ALDC.
there.
IRWD. GRND.
LGVN
LFMD.
looks like it's gonna go.
UEC. PD.
It's moving.
KSS. UEC.
SGN.
KSS. AXT up.
GRND.
I'm gonna gap
ERLT.
SGN
AQST. BMNR.
at
CAPR.
71.
LFMD. IRD.
HIMZ. HIMS. ATPC. ALDC.
Careful, careful, careful.
IRWD. GRND. LFMD. PD.
RKLZ.
KSS. DTAK.
Alright.
GRND.
What are the targets ATP? What do I have? Do I have any?
CAPR.
Guess I got some targets all the way up.
CAPR.
Here.
WULF.
ATPC. HIMZ.
ATPC is going.
ALDC.
ARTL.
LGVN. GRND.
MSTZ.
$5. $5 is the target here.
ERAS.
HIMS.
So do we have this here?
UWMC. TWO. AAOI. IRD.
TW.
Nice, 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 nice.
LFMD.
OPENL. ATPC. ORBS. EDIT.
Wow.
LITX.
KSS. ACXP.
AXTI. BE.
That's a crazy range here,
OEID.
but it could work. So we
TTEC.
gotta make sure we're on the right end of it. So 67 needs to full 67 here, but it could dip lower. There's a seller right at 70s.
RLMD.
It's SSR,
ANPX.
so we know it can squeeze.
SSSS.
AAOI.
We know it can squeeze.
ANTX.
67 needs to hold.
ATAK.
TRX.
66, no.
BE.
IVBT. AAOI. MRNO. KIDZ.
RKLZ.
Seller there, 70.
ORBS.
Seller out of the way, good.
RLMD. ATPC.
We'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see.
LITX. PRSO. RLMD. TRX.
DTCK. IVBT. ACXP.
AEO. RKLZ. CAPR.
ATPC.
BEX. IVBD. ALEC. RLMD.
RXT.
LITX. AXTI.
IVBT. CAPR.
GSW halted to the upside.
RLMD. BYAH.
Still waiting,
ANTX.
still waiting.
BTAK. SES.
BTAK. EHTH. HIMZ.
CAPR.
KIDZ.
AMPX. BEX. KIDZ halted to the upside. ALEC. KIDZ. NI
BATL.
halted down. AAOI,
CAPR, LGVN,
UEC,
TENX,
50s. 5-minute gap is at 50s.
BTAK,
Wonder if it's gonna hold this gap at 50s.
BTAK,
AXTI,
54.
EDSA,
EDSA, ALEC, CAPR,
SEV,
ANTX,
CAPR, LGVN,
UEC,
UMAC,
It's gonna
KITZ,
hold that 5-minute gap. Nice.
MLYS,
Okay, good. Can we see it right now over
ATPC.
76?
AXTI,
BOYG,
VOIG, IVVD,
Mm-hmm. It
UWMC,
could squeeze here over
DDD,
76.
EDSA,
Nope.
EDSA,
Choppy on the squeeze.
EDITARTL may resume in less than a minute. UMAC,
Otherwise, we got a room here for 30.
UMAC, KIDZ,
Hopefully,
OLMA,
it's not a flush, but it holds. It might hold 50s as well.
AXTI,
Might hold 50s,
IVVD,
58.
SGN,
Might hold here. Nope.
SGN, AMPX,
40s.
BTAK, XTIA, UMAC,
UMAC,
MLYS, MRNO,
Yeah, I'll get in here. Nice.
BTAK,
Getting in at 45 here. Could be a good dip. I'll basically break even right top of this gap.
DDD,
I would love to see this thing reclaim. I mean at 45.
SGN,
Yeah, out. Right there. Maybe a little lower.
XTIA,
30s.
UMAC,
Okay, whatever. So
MRNO,
try to get that dip right top of that gap.
BEX,
Didn't work.
BTAK, CELU,
Let's see here. We got a nice trade
RBS,
NIO,
that we could get an SGN.
SGN,
UEC,
SGN, good volume, it seems like.
BHTH,
Actually, no, this is not formed yet.
LGVN,
76, 76,
ACXP,
78.
ACXP,
So we could get a nice dip in there.
SGN, RLMD,
SGN,
Get a dip under 78, stop 76.
NIO,
NIOG, ATPC,
NIOG,
LGVN,
We'll see.
TENX,
Love to see this under 78.
UMAC,
There it is, 78. Under 78.
10 seconds,
BZAI,
I'll take that.
PRSO,
77.8. Back to 78. Good. Stop's gonna be around 76.
NIO,
But I think
LGVN,
this could work.
ATPC,
I like this. I like it when it does this reclaim like this.
BZAI,
The nice bottoming wick on that candle. I like it to continue. If it retests again the bottom, it's the buying is gonna go away. So I like it to continue here. So if you're back into this gap, okay, but let's continue here.
GSIW, 10 seconds,
So we're gonna go back into this gap. I would love for this to hold. Hold this 1 minute. And then we're gonna carry on this next candle. It's gonna retest my stop. We're gonna retest my entry rather.
10 seconds,
See if we can get this to carry on. Beautiful dip into that gap. So we're gonna need some volume here. Where are the buyers at? Buyers are holding it at 78, which is good. Oh, we're in this 5-minute red gap though. I'm just looking at it right now. Okay, I need to see green here. Green, we need to get out of this red gap, this 5-minute red gap. Come on, we need to get out of this 5-minute red gap here. There's that 5-minute red gap right there. So,
LGVN.
not a big fan of that, but it's going to get bought up nicely.
ATPC.
Okay, 76 is my stop below that gap, right under VWAP. So that got bought up very nicely. So sticking to the game plan. Very good. So I may lose 2 cents here, but I'm looking to make 4 or 6 cents on this. So 4 or 6 cents would be 6 cents will be 80, 85, around 85. Bang, let's go, 85. Dang, what the heck? Oh, it got rejected again, but got bought up really quickly, so I like to see that. Nice bottoming wick. Hopefully you hold. We're following our game plan here. Oh, I don't like oosh again. 76 and get bought up again. Okay. Okay, there are buyers in this. There are buyers buying this dip. So hopefully we get a nice green candle soon. Stop is like 76. Oosh, it's getting close to 76. Not a big fan of that, but I think we can get a nice green candle here. Green candle, green candle. Nice. 78. This is moving as well here. But I'm in this trade. We need to see this soon. I would love to see this soon here. If it ain't gonna work, it ain't going to work. Dang. I want to get out of that. Okay, getting out of that. 1 cent loss, basically. So it went a little lower. Dang. We were looking so good on that. All right, here we go. So 460. Next candle. Dip, 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 dip.
ATPC.
Dip a little bit. 460 needs to hold. I'll take it 68. I mean, that's 69. Jeez, don't really like this. Don't really like this. Got hooked on that. Down 300 bucks already. That got me a little bit too much, more than I wanted. That got me for basically almost 20 cents. That got me for 20 cents. Ah, dang, down 300 bucks already. All right, we have LGVN. See if we can get a dip. 16 at 70 basically is that low. We have lots of room here.
RCAS.
Let's keep going. 77, 78.
LGVN.
Good, 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 good. Strong stock. Strong stock here so far. Nice. So miss. Ooh, 83. Nice. All right, we can get this guy to $1. So we gotta make sure we get a good entry here.
LGVN. SED. DXST.
Dip.
RIOX. A1.
What's the low of this gap? 75.
DXT.
There could be a
TB and C may rise in 10 seconds.
dip on this. Under 80. Dang, if it just wants to keep going, it's kind of like
LGVN.
it's kind of like pushing it higher, huh?
LGVN.
A1. RXT. AXT.
Market's pretty hot this morning. Pretty hot. I'm kind of on the wrong side of it so far. Now let's see under 80. If we can get a dip under 80 with this volatility, maybe we can.
ACXP.
N1.
Waiting for my dip. Waiting
LGVN.
for a good entry here. I mean, you just gotta chase it up here.
ATPC.
XT. LGVN.
ACXP.
SSSS. ANTM may resume in less than a minute. ACXP.
LGVN. ATPC.
TTEC. LFMD.
ACXP.
Waiting for this dip. Here we go. How much do you want to dip?
CEO.
If it's going to crash down, hopefully not. I mean, pre-market kind of gave back a ton. So this has the potential to give back a lot. So I gotta be ready for those. Okay, here we go. If not, we're gonna trade this one more time here over 50.
LIT.
It's important that we close here this red gap and that we
LFMD. COHX.
find some stable price action over 50, then probably take that dip on this next candle here. This could be good. Keeping it super tight. Big seller.
TTEC.
Every corner there's a seller.
LGVN.
These sellers want to get squeezed, man.
MRNO.
50.
UV items.
Nah, doesn't hold 50. Gotta look for the next opportunity.
EVX. Rotate RL. IRE.
I should have done that here. I gotta wait a little bit and at least, yeah, at least wait, especially in this volatility. So now I've learned on this stock to do that. Now here we have move, but it's on the highs. We don't really want to chase it. Could be dangerous to chase. So we want to see if we can get a dip here under 80. We can maybe finally get a nice move.
SGN. BTN.
BUAT. Arcade items.
All right, if it's not going to come down, we're going to look for that over 88 for $1 break. Here we go.
ACXP.
LGVN.
86,
ACXP. RXT.
88, 90. There it is. Oh, 90. And there it is. So 10 seconds here, 91. Let's see how well this next candle is going to hold here.
CG. CCP.
I'll take it.
LFMD.
Hold. No. Yeah. Again, 91. Trying it a little too much, but let's see. Momentum is here on our side.
LGVN.
Stop is going to be flat, flattish. Come on, we're looking for this move finally through 90, 93, stalling at 93. There we go, 93, 94. Come on. We want to see this push through $1 if it's going to happen. We'd love for it to happen right here.
ATPC.
Wish I got it under 90, but I'm going to get caught here. Okay. Down 400. Getting caught and getting out flat. This thing is going to come down or keep going. If it keeps going, man, that's going to be really frustrating. But I got caught on that. I got caught. Let's see. 91 L90, 91 L90 again. Yeah, I was not able to get a nice entry on it. I bought a 91, a little too premature.
ATPC. ATPC may resume in less than a minute. LGVN.
It still was good to hold. Look at this 95 now. Dang it. Yeah, we're trading like really bad today. But we'll see, we'll see. We gotta lock it in here, lock it in. We're at max loss, so we gotta lock it in here.
LGVN.
Stay patient.
TSSI.
Stay patient and look for a good opportunity. We tried it. Tried it 2 times. Not good, not good. I gotta try it once. I gotta acknowledge my risk here that this is going to be my stop at 88, right? And let this thing go. I knew it was stalling at 93. Maybe I should have taken it out. Treated like crap. But we'll see. It only takes one good trade, man. It only takes one good trade to get this thing back into a good day. Let's see how well this is gonna hold here. 40s. Could be a nice move. If it wanted to fail, it should have failed here, or maybe around this area, but it held. So the low of that is 40. We'll keep it really tight. Dip under 50.
ATPC.
Gonna wait for that dip. A little gap and go here, 49. 45. I'll take this, 47, 49. And at 49. We can get some volume through here. A little gap and go here. Ooh. Okay, out right there. Dang. So out. Lost another probably $70. Eesh, we're down 477. Okay. We gotta take it easy. We gotta take it easy. Take it easy. All right. Let's see if we can get a trade here. $92. What's it gonna be? If you go straight at $1, man, this is gonna be kind of annoying. But I do want to get this dip here. If you want to give me a dip, that'll be the entry I want to get. 18 seconds is gonna go through $1 here. Don't want to chase it. Don't want to chase it on this push, but I guess that's what people are doing. That's literally what people are doing. Chasing it on the way up. Now what? 99? It's gonna be a pretty tight dip. 97, 96. 97, 96, 95, 95,
LGVN,
96 again, 96 again,
ACXP,
96 again. Yeah, let's do it. In at 97.7, come on. Let's get this push through $1 here. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. No, it's not gonna do it. No,
LGVN,
we're gonna form a little gap here.
ACXP,
Form a little gap under 95. Maybe we can get a dip here. Stop 91.
KT.
'91, 95, stop 92, 95 did do it,
CRCG.
98 now. Looks like that was a good dip, 95.
Unnecessarily vaulted down.
Shoot. Well, well, well. Well, well, well. Trying to get this gap and go. Didn't work.
CCUQ.
Dip into a gap, also not working.
CRCG.
That little dip in 95 did get a good move,
LGVN.
but maybe I wanted to see it a little lower. There it goes, but over $1. And it comes down over 98, 99.
ATPC.
Dang.
OUST. Oiometers in less than a minute.
Come on though.
BND.
Alright, we'll see. We'll see how well you hold over $1.
LGVN. Arcade Elvins.
GVN.
LGVN,
LGVN.
Meneses. CH Argos.
We got a size down here, 3K instead. Over $1.
ANTS,
These moves are a little bit bigger, over $1. Hold is 113.
LGVN. Remain less than 10 seconds.
LGVN,
Meneses.
So I'm probably risking here not too much. I mean, with the volatility, like, it's hard to say. It's really hard to say.
LGVN,
Oil halted down. Meneses. Arcade Elvins.
Keeps going. Good, good. Good amount of action today. Nice amount of action. This thing climbed so well, but like barely any gaps and nowhere to get in. This penny stock is kind of annoying, but oh well. So let's see.
UVIX.
Sheesh. Okay,
LGVN,
05.
TMDV, TV,
LGVN.
08 seems to be working. 05, 06, 05.
no S's. Unless only name 0 and less than a
Yeah,
minute.
it's rejecting there. Push to 010. It's rejecting.
Say shot.
It's holding no.
UVIX. NPT. MGNX.
LGVN.
We're under a dollar. Could be interesting here.
STZ.
That little gap could hold. It says it went to a dollar.
10 seconds.
We don't have anything until I could take it at 1
NPT.
if that gap wants to hold.
ATPC.
MSTZ.
DTA.
TMDE.
Dip. It's gonna try to retest 1 and get a good move, or what's the deal here? Two's holding.
UERI. BMNZ.
Hmm. Nice move. So 1 good dip, back to 6.
LGVN.
NPT. GSIW wanted to the upside. Oil may resume in less than a minute. BG.
Oh,
MSL.
NPT.
LGVN.
MSTZ. Oil only less than 10 seconds. BG. MSTZ.
here we go. Let's see. Maybe a dip.
TV.
And if it keeps going, could keep going. Volume is lower. It's heavy though. LGVN turned out to be an excellent stock. So every pop is just getting shorted. Yeah, we're gonna have to reset. We're gonna have to reset because and see if we can reclaim the highs one more time. It's getting shorted. Every pop is just failing. So topping wicks. So hopefully we get a dip here. This is a good dip down 93.
RBN.
MSTZ.
This thing just went straight up, man. Literally straight up.
LGVN.
Yeah, this is kind of crazy here.
RBN.
So we got 104 now. They try to go down, try to dip, but the dip held. Let's see what this is going to do. 104.
GSIW.
No. No.
RBN.
I gotta be more picky now with the trades that I take.
LGVN.
I want a good setup for me. Maybe I will get it today, maybe I won't.
CHL.
RBN.
FIGR. USS. Channel.
This looks like it's working.
TOPSA resuming less than
105 is that low. See if we can get a nice little dip here for the next move. Looks like it's strong.
MRNO.
8, 7, 9 seconds here. Let's see if we can get a dip. Buyers are in here. See if we can get a dip, 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 dip. Stop 105, stop 105. You know it. Dip, dip. No dip. Let's do it.
LGVN.
I'll go, I'll go, I'll go. No, no. Come on, dip, dip.
MRNO.
TOPSA less than 10 seconds.
Dang. Okay. Interesting there. Held 108.
FIGR. BWT.
Hmm.
USS.
LGVN.
Dang it. Good move. Good move.
MRNO.
BWT.
LGVN.
LGVN.
Strong move.
LGVN.
FIGR. RCAT.
Now what? I think it's heavy up here, but if it's gonna hold this dip, if it's gonna hold 11,
LGVN.
really doesn't matter, right? Doesn't matter if it's too high, if it's gonna hold.
CAPR.
So just gotta be careful of a flush. That's the only thing. So right there. We like this. We like this.
SMU.
We like this. If it's gonna hold 11, man. If it's gonna hold this could really be crazy here. A lot of selling, but it's gonna hold. Nice. I was a little nervous there, but it's not the best quality. Honestly, it's not the best quality. So coming down to 105 maybe. Okay. Doesn't want to break 111. Don't want to break 111, huh? Oh, there it goes. It breaks it. Maybe 105, closer to 105. 106, 107, 106, 106, 106. 106. I'll take 106. Hold 106. Nah, 105. Out. Back to 105. All right, whatever. Trying to buy that dip into the gap at 106. Pretty tight there. Good work. Good work for a nice bounce if it's really strong. Off by a little bit. Down to 104 actually. So we'll see what it wants to do. Yeah, we'll see. All right, SGN, the one we took a trade early morning. Nice gap. Did not work. But let's see if we can break through this red bearish gap. Here we go. 76 below that 76. I think we can get a nice little dip. It's in this red gap, so it's respecting this red gap. It's a 5-minute one, so it's gonna take some effort to break it. All right, we'll be patient because we gotta be picky. We gotta find a good spot. We gotta find a good spot here. We gotta find a good spot for this new 5-minute. Love to see a dip at 76.
That's easy.
Looking for that dip at 76, see if we can get a nice bounce off VWAP.
You see, that's you.
ASTX.
Lately, I haven't been able to catch many dips into gaps. Although all the dips that go into gaps have been failing. I have to see. I have to see. Here we go. Rejection there. Back over. Rejecting. Yeah, that candle's crazy right now. One trade at a time. We'll get back to green. Have some faith. We're sizing up, so these are the sizing up struggles. Let's see. 76, 75, back over 76, seller at 77. Good thing I didn't take it right away. Back to 76 maybe. Back to 76. Maybe wants to go back to 76. 76.5. I'll take this here. Super tight stop and break 76 again. But looking for this to reclaim. Make that reclaim. Keeping the top pretty tight. Also, we're gonna need some volume here. We're right at VWAP. Come on. Come on, we're right at VWAP. Come on, don't break 76. Ah, lost another 50 there. Ah, dang. Oh, look at that gap reclaim there. Back to 76. Just getting chopped. I'm getting murder out here. Like, this is the move I wanted to see. I'm getting murder. Getting murder out here. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on today? All right. Well, that's the trade I wanted to see. Gap reclaim, beautiful. That's always an opportunity to gap reclaim. Now what? 77 is that low. That's okay, we only lost 1 cent.
TOP is made less than 10 seconds.
It's facing a lot more resistance, this one.
AHG made less than 10 seconds. DXST. SNXX. AIFF. OPTX. ATPX.
These penny stocks. All right, what do we got here? Could we get this move? Nice move all the way up to 82. Nice. Can I get a nice dip here or a solid continuation higher? Let's see. Would like to see a dip here. Dip. Stop 79, 80. I'll take 80. Stop's gonna be 79, but hopefully this keeps going. Man, can a brother get 3 cents today?
DXST.
Can a brother get like 3 cents today? Can a brother get his first winning trade today? $80, hold 80. No, you're not gonna hold 80.
ASTX.
Yes, hold 80s. Back over 80. Hold it, hold it, hold it.
KCUP.
5 seconds. Because it's important you hold. Green, green, nice, 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 nice. Can a
DXST.
brother get 3 cents? I've been asking for 3 cents. All the way up to 83, 84. Come on.
ASTX.
And SGN.
It's a decent setup. We're on the breakout.
TRCG.
No, it's rejecting, huh?
TOP is
Oh.
less than a minute.
Okay. Nice, nice. Get that move, man. Get the move.
EDIT.
Get the move through 2, 3.
VIAF.
Okay, all right.
Nice. 2. Break, break, break 2. Nice. Keep going. Keep going. Bang. 3, 4, 5.
NUC1.
This will be sweet, man. I want to hold this thing.
KCUP.
Ah, come on. We'll see. Break even. Stop's gonna be 11. Yeah, break even.
And SGN.
TOP has made less than 10 seconds.
We're just getting warmed up on this move. Come on. We are just getting warmed up.
TRCG. CCUP.
We are just getting warmed up.
RCAT.
We are just getting warmed up. Nope. What a rejection. Thankfully, I got out of that. What a rejection, brother. Wow. Okay. Oof. Okay, can I get it down there? 73, 72, 72. Ooh, so close to getting at 73. Dang it. Oh, wow. Low, that was 73. Ah, what are you gonna do today?
DXST.
All right.
RCN.
Impossible. SGN. This one, nice little dip into that gap. Looks like this one wants to behave better. SGN just dropped like a hammer.
EDRT.
DXST.
All right, we'll stay patient. What's with the DXST? Are we gonna do this?
EYGR. MAT.
I mean, break a 50? Break a 50? It's working towards it for sure.
Relay that.
Stop right under 40, right at 45, it looks like. So we get a dip at 46. This could be interesting here.
CRCG.
47.
EYGR.
Want to see a dip. If not, next candle, we nice dip into the gap. Under 47. Under 47.
XXRP.
Nope. It's not going to do it. Nice little dip into this gap, huh? How about you help me with a nice little dip in your breakthrough 50?
OPTX.
46.
Relay.
Yeah, let's do this. 46. Back to 47. Come on. Back to 48. Nice dip.
LGVN.
Don't want to take the 1 cent. I want to see this thing. I actually want to see this thing break 50 here. Is it a tall order? Maybe. But I wanted us to give an attempt.
EYGR.
And SGN.
47. We're gonna need more volume than this. Come on, 48.
TOPS may resin 2 seconds.
48. Come on. Looking for this move.
OPTX.
Here we go. Green, a lot of green there. 49. I'll take 2K out. Looking for that move, looking for that break. Next candle, come on.
EYG.
Boom, boom.
EOPS.
I'll take it out 48.
OPTX.
Could be.
EYGR.
I could be wrong,
ETHU. CCUP.
but given today's circumstances,
And SGN.
let's just take the 2 cents. Yeah, roughly around 2 cents. Yeah. Back to 47. Back to 46.
QRCG.
Oh, good. Man, one good trade. That's all it takes.
CMNU. CCUP. ETHU.
To get ourselves back,
ADHR.
regain confidence.
EYG.
And SGN.
DWV. XXRP.
Wow, dip at 45. 44. 44. I'll take this 44. 48. 50, 45. Good. Almost got caught on that. Feel like almost got caught. Green, 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 green. Need to see this green here. I'll take one out, reduce some risk. But a lot of green there, but not enough. Not enough green. Taking it out. Could work though, but let's regain our confidence. Let's regain our day back here. Wow, what a nice dip. Back down. Yep. So good, 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 good. So dip into the gap. Quick bounce. For some reason I trade better the backside. I gotta figure out how to trade better the front side. Right? Especially LGVN. How do I trade better this front side? That's like so good. You know? I've tried it here. Here, there was an opportunity here. Here and here. That would have been 8 for me. Get those two trades. That's a win. Maybe this one here, 80. I know it's going to be pretty high, but boom, 80 to 87. Hold, hold. Goes to 96. Oh well. What's the plan here? DXST dipping all the way down. Oh, yeah, we'll give this a rest. ATPC though. We know we've butchered some trades here, so we gotta see if we can get some nice redemption on this. What was that? That's just DXST. So what's the deal with this? 399 to
ATPC.
377. It's got a huge range, we know this. Now what? We got this massive red gap that we have to get through. So waiting for this to get a little higher maybe. It's gonna reject, so we're gonna retest 380s. I'll wait for 380s. Okay, ATPC is going to have to do it. It's going to have to do it pretty soon. 410 here. Let's see if we can take this dip at 410. Dip.
ATPC.
18, 18, 18. Right at VWAP, huh? I'll take this 18 by 19. No, 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 no. Want you to fail 10. Gosh. Hold 410. Could give this a little room. Wish I was in around here though. Like right here. Wish I was in right there. 12. Yeah. It's gonna be annoying, huh? I'm gonna be really annoyed here. Ooh, what a loss there. Ah, losing 12 cents on that. Dang it, brother. Ah, it's gonna be a pretty tough one, this one. Tough cookie, tough cookie. Dip. What did I get out? 406 just to see this thing bounce at 416. Ah, what the heck, brother. Just bad timing on this thing. I know I can get it. I know I can get a good trade here, but my timing on it is off. Now look at that. Ah, getting chopped, getting chopped. All right, let's try this one more time. That's the move I wanted to see.
ATPC. See like this.
We'll stay patient here. It's kind of a big loss, honestly. 120. We're gonna have to next trade. I think we're gonna have to see this thing break because even though I held, I still got chopped. I gotta get into a dip, gap and go. I'm looking for the volume to come in, but doesn't come in. I get chopped. Yeah, gonna have to wait for a better setup. MRNO, unless I get a dip. Dude, that's just getting push, push, crush, 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 crushed, 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 crushed. But only a matter of time for success, success, success. Success is around the corner. Success is around the corner.
Success is just around the corner. Success is just around the corner. Success is just around the corner. Success is just around the corner. Success is just around the corner.
CAST may resume in less than a minute.
Success is just around the corner.
ATPC.
MRNO here.
You may rest in 10 seconds. Try again.
Brother. What? Ah. Brother. Getting cooked. Success is just around the corner. 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 Success is just around the corner.
CAST may rest in 10 seconds.
is just around the corner. Success 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 is around the corner. Success is just around the corner. Success is just around the corner.
DXST model.
Around the corner.
Well. Down $600. Down $600 on the month on a Tuesday. Oh. Okay.
LGVN.
I'm so afraid. Not anymore. I'm afraid no more. I'm afraid no more. I'm afraid no more. I'm afraid no more. I am afraid no more.
MRNO.
Was I recording that before? I don't know. Okay. So finally getting the squeeze here. I wonder if it's going to be a good one. Back to 18. You need to hold 18 here. You need to hold 18, and it's important that we hold these levels so we can get the short squeeze here. You've been teasing this move for a long time. Let's see. Dip under 20. No dip. Let's do it. Looks like it's not going to dip. It might dip now. 19. 18.
MRNO.
17. It's been teasing that breakout a long time. Nah, not gonna happen.
MRNO.
Quick loss there. Tight stop. This has volume though. These 1 minute candles have volume. So potential is there. Best trades worked off dips. All right, DXST moving here. Maybe we can get a dip here. 42, 41, VWAP is 41. Maybe a dip at VWAP for a sweet picture perfect trade. Let's see it. Come on, man. The only stock that's been behaving well to gaps, at least the only stock that I've been doing well on. MRNO was a good one. I didn't take advantage of those dips. But here I think it was supposed to break, reclaim. Now we're making this move. No, we're not gonna get into this gap. We have to see. We have to see. You have to be patient here. It's just gonna take off, it seems like. I would love to see this thing dip into a gap.
DXST may resume in less than a minute.
Volume came in here. Shorts might be getting squeezed. SSR as well. So shorts unable to.
USA hard.
What's the other stock that's also SSR? ATPC. Yeah, this one. Maybe it'll make a move later. Again, what's the deal here? We're going to do it. You're going to hold 44.
DXST may rise in 10 seconds. USA hard.
A lot happening here.
PW.
I'll take it here. Tight stop. Super tight stop. We want to see this thing go now. Green, 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 green. 40, 50, nice. Nice, brother, nice. Come on, let's get this move here. Let's get this move.
XL1. CRNG.
Nice. Let's get this move 62, 63. Okay, 1,000 shares, working with 1,000 shares. See if I can add to this.
RCG. 3RC valid.
45. Are we gonna get a dip?
Harden.
45 is gonna hold or what? No, it's not gonna hold. Out. Okay, nice. Nice move there. Nice little move there. Quick little trade, 2 cent, 1 cent trade, I guess. 44 to 40. Yeah, 1 cent trade.
FPVC may resume in less than a minute.
We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take what we can get. Big red candle. Oof. Held though. Held.
45. Okay, 46.
PRC low.
We'll be having a lot of success on this one. Maybe we can size up. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Keep it tight, you know? Do want to see a dip. Okay, here we have a 5-minute gap under 43. View up is 41, so we can take that dip down there.
PRCG.
DRBC.
USAR. CRCG. EOSE.
Waiting and being patient here.
DINC.
ATPC still could make a move later in the day. We'll see. DXST looking decent. 68 potential target. I think we had that 68 target for a long time. I mean, we traded this last week, I think.
CRCG.
We traded this yesterday as well.
DINC.
MRNO.
So looking for a dip. Doesn't want to dip into that 5-minute gap.
CCE.
If it does, it kind of wouldn't look too good unless it reclaims right away. So we get 42, we get right under 43, reclaim, and that would be a strong chart.
LGVN.
44. Yeah, here we go. 43. I would love to see this thing dip right away. Dip, reclaim right away. Let's see a dip under 43. Yeah, nice reclaim there. Okay, I think that might have been the dip. Well, that's good. That's a good sign. That's still a good sign that the reclaim is going to work. This 5 minutes going to be over pretty soon. 1 more minute after this.
So I could potentially risk 2 cents, almost 3 cents on this dip, right? With 8,000 shares.
Mercedes.
What's the plan? What is the plan?
Mercedes. USAR. DRCG.
All right, patience it is. Patience it is. Okay, new 5 minute here. Will it dip under 43? That would be a sweet, sweet, sweet dip.
DXST minutes in less than a minute.
Let's see. Gotta try to keep it as tight as possible. So VWAP is right there. So looking for a fast reclaim on this one. So if you get the dip under 43, find the right spot. 44, nah, it's not gonna do it. Yikes, yikes, that volume came in right there. Gave no dip, 44. Potential micro here. Potential micro here. If it's strong, it might go. Looking for a potential micro. Big red candle though. Big red. Oh, green now. Okay. All right, let's get a dip into this little gap here that is being formed so we can grab the next move. So far, having some success. Let's respect this gap. Come on. Under 45, it's going to be like 44.94. Give me a gap. It's gonna have to be a gap and go, huh? Going to have to be a gap and go, it seems like.
DXST Walter Dinner. USAR.
So the best trade here is a dip into this gap here pretty soon, hopefully with a fast reclaim. We got the chart. The 5 minute chart looks good. I just want to see a good dip and for this thing to hold and get more buyers in through here. We got a nice dip here, but it looked like it was going to go lower. So now the buyers that were down here, the algos might have moved up here a little bit more. Moved up to this area. So
DOSC.
so dip or no dip? What's the plan? New 5 minute here. New 5 minute coming up here in five seconds. Would like to see a dip. Come on.
CAT. USAR.
As long as you don't break 44. Because this gap is literally just 1 cent. Less than 1 cent, right? As long as you don't break 44, we're good. Going down.
So what?
Here we go. Moment of truth here. What's it going to be? 45 is going to hold. Dang. Just a little bit more, man. Just a little bit more. All right. Looks like we're going to have to do it through here. Through 46.
So what?
Oh. Just a tiny bit more. See if we can get a sweet dip down there. So that means the algos are sitting right above, right at 45. Algos at 45. Okay. Red candle here for a dip would still look good. All right, now 46. We need that 46 to hold. Get up here to 46. There it is. There's some buying there. 46. Rejection.
SGG.
Some volatility. Hmm.
DXST made less than 10 seconds.
It's looking pretty good.
USAR. FIGR. RC.
ABCD pattern here. ABCD pattern, but a dip will still be good. Don't break 44. I'll be good with that. Here, looking for this dip. 45 holding strong. 45 is holding strong, so if it breaks 45, I don't want to see this thing flush, right? Definitely don't want to see this thing flush and all the support vanish. All right, we'll see.
FIGR.
Here we go. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? I need to see that green. Okay, 46. Might have been a little too early here, but we'll see.
FIGR.
Oh. 43. Fine, 43, 42, nice. Somebody unwinded a lot there. Don't like this 42. Would like to see a reclaim here. Reclaim, 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 reclaim. Reclaim. Nah, I'm not gonna see it. Oh. Yeah, lost 1 cent there. Okay, down 700, I think. Yeah, down 700 today. We do see that reclaim. Bought it a little lower, waited for that, try to wait for the reclaim, but no. Sad. Sucks, man. The gap is so good. Looking for the next move, it just disrespects it. Up 100 on it. Okay, there's a gap right here. If it's gonna go this time, it better go here. 44, 43. We'll take 5K this time, sizing down. 44.50. We want to see this ideally under 44. It's worked well in the past, so let's see. 42. This could be good here. This could be just right. Let's see it. Let's try it. New candle here. This needs to go now. Ideally now, or I'll get it lower. Lower. Under 44. Just a little bit lower. Just a little bit lower. Come on, it'll be the perfect entry. Fine. 43.5. Let's do it. Low that is 43.37. Nice. Let's do it, man. Let's get our trade for today. Let's add to this. Let's add to this 5K. Now I'm kind of just hanging out, feeling good about this 45. I want to be able to add to this on this next gap and go. So hopefully this works well. We get a nice move. Instant resolution here. We love to see instant resolution. Let's see if we can add on this. 46, 44.6. We have to hold our winning trades. So stop is going to be flat. Good volume on that previous candle. That's good. Can I get a solid move here? Come on, don't disappoint. Might test our entry. Might test the gap again. But do not fail. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. What are we losing? Money? That's okay. Money we can lose, but our setup we must uphold. Let's see, dip again. Dipping kind of rough here. Stop is going to be 43. The low of that gap basically. So we have to hold. Let's reclaim there. Good reclaim on that candle. So now I hope we get to see, not good, not fun. This 5 minutes is gonna be a topping wick. So again, the stop is going to be the low of that. 43. Gotta stick to the game plan, you know, gotta stick to the game plan. Volume is looking good. Green volume is strong. Red volume is a little weaker. That's good. This is holding here right at the gap, right above, right at the top of the gap. So it could fail. So we have to be ready for that as well. It could fail at 43. That's all right. Here we go. Coming down. 43.37 is going to be the low of that gap. Nice. Right here, 3 1-minute bottoming wicks. They're small, but it's good. It's a good sign here. I want these shorts to be squeezed. DXST. Can we get another move higher? New 5 minute here. Let's see. It could fail. We have to be ready for a fail. Fail of the gap. Yeah, it's gonna fail the gap. Let's see. Retested my entry. Hopefully we get the volume here. Retesting my entry, 43.37, so 43.2. It's the low that where I need to get out. It's back to 44. So a lot of red volume there. We contained it, we held it. So that's good to see. Now we need some green. Now we need some green here. Looks like we might fail here. We may fail here, hopefully not. 43.2. Hold, 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 hold. Hold. Hold, green, hold. Holding, holding. Nice, holding. Okay, good. Woof. Good. Good. Okay, good. I might add here. Okay, good. We held that. Nice. Now it's important that this brings yet a big move. Nice. Nice. Good. Now this may form a strong gap and go after this. Squeeze these shorts up to the highs. I would love to see this. So big buyer right there, 448. No, 448. So this next candle is important here. Nice. So I would love to add on this gap and go. Now this is forming a stronger gap and go. See if I can add here a little dip to 44. $44.9 had good buyers. Could have been a good spot to add. We'll see. 44.8. Fine, I'll add right here. 44.3 is going to be the stop break even. I added 10,000 shares. Let's see this. Looking for this to hold and get 46 out of this. Come on, come on. Come on. Green, green. Green is important here. Nice. So green there. We're going to start unwinding here. Unwinding, unwinding, unwinding. Unwind, unwind, unwind. Come on, come on. I need to see this green, bro. Come on, unwinding here. I was looking for it to be a little stronger. I don't like the bottoming, the topping wick. Inside candle here. Yeah, out. Okay. I wanted it to be stronger. It was important that it was stronger. Good. Made 90 bucks on that. Worth a shot, man. If it just blew right through 46, 47, 48, man, we're looking like a massive win, a massive trade. All right, let's take it could still be in play, but our setup was a little bit short-lived. We held through this. We bought this pullback here. We held through it. Nice. We added on this dip. Then we got a nice move all the way almost to 46. Got some out up there. 46, right at 46. Then the rest sort of flat. Yeah. Anyway, good stuff. Down 600 on the day.
RCA2. CAST may rise in 10 seconds.
LYX.
LGNS.
All right. Well. We are going to be down by a lot. And what happened today? Man, I can't I don't know, man. I really don't know what happened today. And to be honest, yes, I do know. I took a lot of size and I got caught in a lot of garbage. So let's get started here. First trade of the day, man. Yeah, ATCP was a stock that I had absolutely no read on this. Okay, so first trade, quick loss, not bad. Why did I take this trade? There was a gap here, I think. Maybe top of this gap, it looked pretty good. Not the best setup. Gap and go. Oh my goodness. I get destroyed right away. I'm down 250. 250. Two trades into the day, I'm down 250. Well, I'll take another. I traded SGN. So I'm down 300. 15 minutes into 15 minutes. 1-5. 15 minutes into the day, I'm down $300. I'm speechless, man. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to. Anyway, I just get caught in this terrible trade. Like, it had to hold 60. I get at 69, right under 70, thinking, okay, we got some momentum going forward. It's volatile, but we're gonna get a good move. And I just eat a bad loss. Bang. It's 20 shares, I guess, but with size, it's $200. Let it play out. If I let it play out, I'm looking at this. The low of this is 41, so I'm looking at $300 loss. If it, because look, it bounced, right? But if I wait, okay, let me see if it bounces and get out like in the 60s, high 50s, then okay, I can mitigate the loss. But if it doesn't bounce, then I'm eating a $350 loss, right? Anyway, whatever. It's just one of those things. Next, try to do a gap and go here. Little loser right here. Not the worst. This one, oh, come on. Just why? Gap and go here, right above VWAP. Looking for this to hold 18. 10, 10 was sort of a stop. And I waited for the volume. Get out at the lows, bounces back up, goes to 30s. It's just unbelievable. I need to stop trading stuff like this. I think I need to see stronger action, better moves. But then again, stuff like this could work. So what's the plan? I mean, just take the loss and move on, right? So that's kind of what I did the rest of the day. Take the loss, fine, move on. Our setup didn't work. Whatever. So overall, we got 30% accuracy. Yeah, tough day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades in a row without a winner. This one didn't even count. 8, 9, 10. So 10 trades in a row without a winner. This one also didn't count. So 11 trades in a row without a winner. Finally, we get a decent winner here. Almost 2 cents. DXST was on also LGVN fumbled this gap and go. Fumbled it. Twice I tried it. Fumbled both times. Right. 5K, just being very nervous with 5K, just kind of like in and out, not wanting to lose, end up losing 100. Which I would have put my stop right here at 88. I would have only lost once if it came down here. Instead, I lose 2 times and I make nothing, even though the move worked out, right? So take it once, stop at 88. You lose 100, acknowledge the risk, and then, okay, fine, you lost, you acknowledge the risk, the setup didn't work, okay, move on. But this nonsense here, I gotta stop, right? So here we go. Buy it one time, loss. Buy it a second time, loss. Literally the same trade, losing on it twice. This nonsense, I gotta stop. I gotta commit. Stop is 88. Enough said, right? So 88, looking for 2 to 1 per se. So that will be, what's my entry? 91. So 88. So that's 3 cents. So maybe looking for 6 So out 96, 95. Yeah, it goes here to 97. So there you go. 2 to 1. Done. 6 cents. 6 cents. All right. Anyway. ATPC, the worst one. LGVN, the second one. SGN, what was SGN like? Oh, come on. This was such a great trade. I got in here looking for this move to go higher. Beautiful trade in the gap. Oh, it's just so disappointing. Anyway, we held. We're happy, but we're happy with this loss. We are generally happy with losses like these. So, this is okay. Dip here into the gap. Yeah, I guess this is fine too. This is fine, even though it worked right away. It worked. It stopped me out. This is fine. This is fine. I just need to be quick to realize the gap reclaim because I stopped out. The gap reclaim. I gotta take it. Look for it one more time. All right, next trade. Dip here, looking for a gap and go. I don't know what happens. I think it didn't work. 80, looking for this to go. I had a good trade, could have stopped out, could have taken profit 82, but looking for this move higher. Come on, man, give me a move at least to 87. Anyway, that was the top out right here. Yeah. Anyway, the best trade was probably from here. And I was in it. I was in this trade. I stopped out. All right. Anyway, this is break even. All right. So SGN, let's see. This was, yeah, 3 losses, basically 3-1 break even. A winner. We'll take that $0 winner. The positive figure, if it's positive, it's green. We tried it, we attempted it. Yeah, that's pretty much where it stands. Disappointing day. I don't feel too bad as I felt here in this $500 day. But here I'm adjusting to the size. I'm seeing how much damage I can do to myself when I trade big size, right? And I gotta get used to the drawdown. I gotta get mentally used to the drawdown so that I know I can be comfortable in the fire. If I'm comfortable in the fire, I can get out of a $300 loss, $400 loss. It'll be okay. And we can turn the day around. So today is the highlight, I guess, of today, we could say is something like this. We'll keep that. Anyway, we'll do it. All right. That's it for today. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. I have faith that this month will be a great month for me. I still have faith. I still have a lot of faith that this month will be a huge month for me. Huge month of growth. Guaranteed. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, follow me on Discord, right? Follow the channel, follow the community on Discord. $5 a month, 50 a year, super affordable pricing, the best analytics platform out there, I think. It's got everything you need. It's got all the features you need. Tagging feature coming soon, so stay tuned for that. So follow me on Discord. If you want to try it for free, 100% free, no sign up required. Data never stored, instant results. Select a broker, upload your file, and see what Mr. Profit, the stats that Mr. Profit will show you. They're very great. They're phenomenal. All right. Anyway, catch you tomorrow. Hopefully better trading. A lot to review tonight and make some adjustments with the bigger size, right? All right. See you tomorrow.